ठीक है, ये सैनिटाइजर दे दो तो सर। यहाँ ये एक्चुअली ट्रेनिंग कैंपस है और साइड में उधर जो रिसर्च कैंपस है, इसी में एक्चुअली ये 25 ईयर ओल्ड एंड इनका हाइट करीब 25 मीटर तक जाता है। और ये जो है एक साइकिल इन्फेक्शन इनिशियली हमने देखा कि नहीं थोड़ा दूर से लेना सर। अगर फॉर्मेशन है मतलब ये एक्चुअली स्ट्रेस, जो प्लांट स्ट्रेस में होता है तो देन अगर फॉर्मेशन होता है मतलब इट इज ए बेसिकली एंटीबॉडी सैंडल मैडम एकदम डिफरेंट स्पीशीज,
but on a sandal tree this development of antibody doesn't happen. If it is only on this one, naturally as a resistance to something else, antibody comes. And it is that antibody.
You will not call in the case of plant antibody, but just an example.
Yes, I understand. So tell me. So on this, the process.
The process what happens, madam? If naturally it is allowed, then it will grow. And some trees maybe around 10% will get infected naturally अगर soil में है, air में है, या आप artificially उसको introduce कर सकते हैं।
So what is that infection called?
हाँ, ये 3 तरीके से हम कर सकते हैं। एक तो है एक small larva है, वो actually इसको ये infect करे, या अगर आप इसको injury कर दें तो there are group of fungus उसको introduce करेंगे तो उससे हो सकता है। थर्ड जो बताया गया वो अभी एक्चुअली केमिकली ट्राई किया गया, कई सारे केमिकल्स आप उसको अगर देते हैं, इंजरी करते हैं तो वो उससे भी डेवलप होता है।
Is there a tree where the infection is on?
मैडम we'll just show।
infection वाला में हमने
पेपर से जाओ तो जैसे होता है इन्फेक्शन,
वो तो छोड़ो मैडम, अभी आपने आर्टिफिशियली जहाँ भी करा एक
हाँ सर तुम्हें बड़ा पोस्ट
यहाँ पे दिखाइए कहाँ,
यहाँ पर है सर ड्रिलिंग। हाँ
इसको किया गया इस तरह से है। इसको एक्चुअली ये पहले जो था इसमें कोई हमने देखा कि इन्फेक्शन नहीं, हमने इसमें ग्रूव करके देखा नहीं, तो उसके बाद में क्या है कि लार्वा जहाँ जो दूसरे प्लेसेज हैं वहाँ से हम लेके आए, इसको यहाँ डाला, फिर उसको बंद करा, उसके बाद में उसका जो लाइफ साइकिल है फिर ये मॉथ डेवलप होता है, फिर होकर बाकी जगह में फैलता है। फिर ये धीरे धीरे क्या है कि इस तरह से शुरू होता है, जब ये इस तरह का पाउडर आना शुरू होता है
from the trunk.
हाँ फ्रॉम द ट्रंक, देन वी कंसिडर कि थोड़ा थोड़ा अभी यहाँ पे हुआ, इसलिए अब क्या करते हैं, ये अभी एक्सपेरिमेंटल रिसर्च बेसिस पे हमारे यहाँ चल रहा है, इसको फिर हम पूरे उसमें अराउंड 1-1 फीट 1.5 फीट के बाद में वी विल मेक दोज होल्स एंड इंसर्ट दिस, और ये जैसे नंबर डाल के उनको फिर रिसर्च के उसमें किया जाता है। अल्टीमेटली इस तरह का ये जो है जब गोली टाइप की actually small balls actually they will start forming.
Now this is a cut tree or a standing
It's a standing tree.
Okay. On that, where you put the hole, this is what will develop.
हाँ.
From inside the hole, these white things start coming out. Okay. So then what do you do?
Then actually once we now come to know that other formation is there, generally after infection we take it, it will take 2 to 3 years. So after 2 years then we cut. So cut करके then thereafter we actually find out actually where the infection is there. So after that those portions are removed, and otherwise also madam what happens, the whole tree, even if it is not fully infected, the wood contains some oil which can be extracted by distilling actually with the steam.
So that oil formation is as a antidote to the insect which is getting in and affecting them. Oh. Otherwise it naturally takes 40 years.
Naturally it takes long time.
Now in market, lot of inoculum is already developed, just like vaccine. In market, if you purchase the inoculum, you can directly put it here in liquid form. It is a biology based, it is a fungal based inoculum that we are planning to introduce more and more inoculum.
Then you don't need the insect.
That is also another alternative, but we are planning to have inoculum directly purchased from the market and we introduce. And then within 3 years, this tree which has no value as on date become value, full of value after 3 years. Once that inoculum is inserted in this tree.
Thank you.
हाँ जी सर, जस्ट एक तो हम दिखाना चाह रहे हैं कि क्या किस तरह का ऑयल है मैडम सर, प्लीज
अजय ना
ये मैडम जो अगर ऑयल है in the water for some time, then when it becomes little loose, chips बना के उनको डाला जाता है, then thereafter actually distillation किया जाता है. So after distillation actually along with the water, this oil comes, it floats on the water because it's light, and then with scoops it is taken out from there. And second is agar wood actually, where this black portion if you see, this is the fungal attack where exactly this agar wood is also slowly by chiseling out the white portion, the only black portion is selected, and it has lot of value.
This has lot of value compared to this. This is being sold in the other market, almost 2 lakh rupees per kg. This chips only.
2 lakh. 2 lakh.
2 lakh, more than 2 lakh.
Per kilo.
Chips. But it takes lot of, because out of 100 kilo, only 1 kilo you can find the chips. And this oil is different. Oil is maybe 20 lakh rupees per kilo. It is called as liquid gold. Oil is in almost everywhere, it is the liquid gold.
And after even extraction, the water which is there, that also gets used. So with the steam, something will come out, oil will be separated. Thereafter this water, this also has slight rate. This also sells at a very low rate, around 30 rupees. So this also.
So what is it used for?
They use agarbatti and all these things.
Low quality perfume.
This is the oil, madam. Concentrate. If you put it, its fragrance remains actually for almost 1.5 days.
1 minute. Let me just, no, I want to. No, I want to.
but initially you will find the smell will not be very good, but if you put it after 1 hour, you will find that smell becomes ये मैडम सीड्स हैं इसके प्लांट के सीड्स यहाँ पर, and if you see actually grows very well Tripura में, and even if you see the seeds fall, they start growing
On its own, yes.
behind all. These are basically lifted from here, put in the poly bag, and then plantation is done. So
What is in this?
madam, a small gift actually. That is what we could arrange. At
No,
the
it's
moment.
okay. I don't need a gift. Let me see what.
It's a oil. And this is this is burnt, and then thereafter it is kept in the house actually, and that smell spreads.
Meaning, even as it burns, the smell comes.
Madam, this is used directly for the burning
Yeah.
by the in the Gulf countries. In all the special programs on marriages, when we use agarbatti, they used to put
Yes, yes.
on charcoal. They used to put this directly.
Like we use sambrani.
So,
From the south, from Andaman, you get a kind of gum.
okay,
That gum is sprayed on or dropped on coal fire.
yes, it's like that.
That's like they use the word frankincense. It's not the same, but it's somewhat.
Bamboo bottle. ये TRPC बना रहा है आजकल त्रिपुरा रिहेबिलिटेशन।
मैडम वो अभी उसने प्रसाद ने शायद दिया। प्रसाद आप उस दिन वो जो बॉक्स है ना, वो बॉक्स एक मेरे घर में भेज दो। मैडम को दे दो, पूरा एक बॉक्स बना हुआ बैम्बू के साथ। मैं अभी लॉन्च करने वाला था, अब ले आऊँगा।
ये राइट अप है एक छोटा सा, इसका मेन है, इसका ट्रेड is restricted. Actually, it is a species listed in
Endangered.
but since we are actually cultivating it, so that is only for the natural plantation. This is actually we are introducing it here. So that is what we have been projecting to Ministry of Environment and Forest, and they have agreed, yes.
Very nice. Thank you.
And madam,
मुझे 2-3 copies देना।
and we have Honorable Chief Minister has also actually this policy has also been now in the public domain, and this policy also has been passed by the committee of and now the
Doing this one.
and Honorable CM also has approved supported actually
Thank you.
सेंटर से NTFP सेंटर
Oh, I'm the only one. Nobody else.
first time, madam, this policy is now through, so we expect
Nalanda.
your
27.
ना दो बीस ना भाई भाई
प्योर नहीं
कोकोनट वाटर है.
The straw is also made by local artisans.
Oh, right. But use and throw. Oh, really? Nice.
ये ऑस्ट्रेलिया में भी जाती है. तो इसको यूज एंड थ्रो नहीं होना चाहिए, इसको रिसाइकल करना चाहिए.
दोनों तरह के हैं. Some can be used for a number of times. Some are used.
This campaign, घर घर अगर हर घर अगर that means every house should have a this campaign
Very nice.
it is now spreading like fire.